Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hey, how you doing for the first time? I hope you stay and subscribe. Now, as you can see from the title, of course I'm doing my Ipsy bag, my September Ipsy bag. Now, I wasn't going to do this because I honestly I do Ipsy videos here and there, but this month I had to do this just because of how the bag looks, and I just was so excited for it. So in my Ipsy videos, I try on each item and I tell you my thoughts about them, my opinions, see if I like them, dislike them, tell you, what's good about it, what's not, all that good stuff. So if you want to see if I like my September Ipsy bag, then and also the products in it, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is the September Ipsy bag, and it says find your light. I freaking love this bag. This is so me. It's all about astrology. It has like the constellations, and then right here it has a crystal. Like, seriously, if you know me, you know this is me. This is so me, so me. So I'm definitely keeping this off the back. Like, this is, no one's taking this, and I'm not giving this to no one. So that's an A++++++. Let's just get right into this because I'm freaking excited. Okay, so the first item in the bag, and remember in Ipsy there's mostly samples and then maybe 1 or 2 full-size items. So just in case if you did not know that. So this is, of course, a sample. I do like samples just because when you need to put something in, have something in your bag, or when you are traveling, it's so great because sometimes you don't want the full size, especially if you're just going somewhere for a day or two and you don't need a full size in your bag. Make it heavier. So something small is wonderful. So the first item is from Pureless, hopefully I'm saying it right, the Watermelon Energizing Peel Plus Polish. I like things that are fruity if it has a good smell to it, because sometimes some fruity stuff be smelling like fake and like disgusting. Oh my god, I'm smelling this, but I'm smelling my sage as well. So I'm like, wait, why does it smell like weed? But no, it's the sage. It says an energizing 2-minute polishing peel. It says it gently resurfaces, skin smoothing, boost radiance, all skin types. Okay, so the benefits for this, it says watermelon energizes skin, leech helps brighten skin, beet helps repair damaged skin, purple carrot nourishes skin and keeps it supple and hydrated. Smooth all over clean skin in an even layer. Let it sit for 2 minutes, then rinse with warm water while massaging your skin in circular motions. Okay, it's a great exfoliator. Uses watermelon, aloe vera, and cucumber to smooth, brighten, protect, and nourish your skin. This smells so good. I smell the watermelon. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good. I'm loving the smell. Now I have to wait for 2 minutes. I apply some warm water and I massage my face in circular motions. Oh my god, it felt so wonderful. The gel exfoliator was just working on my skin and it just felt so good. It was massaging my skin. It felt so wonderful. I didn't want to stop, but I had to. My face is always smooth, but every single time I wash my face, exfoliate my face, and do all that cleansing with my face is always brighter. It always feels smoother. I like this, and especially if it smells so good as well. But I do feel a little dried, especially like around here, the T-zone, but I have dry skin, so of course that's gonna happen. Next item is from Murad. This is the Hydro Dynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. This rich yet lightweight skin saver is infused with shea butter, sunflower seed oil, coconut fruit extract, and avocado oil to intensely moisturize, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and improve your skin texture. It keeps your skin glowing and smooth for a full 24 hours. Tip, massage evenly over fresh, clean face, neck, chest, AM and PM. Oh my god, this box for this little thing right here. That's a blow. So my face feels hydrated, feels good. It is lightweight, it's not thick. It's a little, maybe a little oily, just a little bit. It says it will keep my skin glowy because I do have some glow to my skin. And smooth, yes. for a full 24 hours. I wonder. I'm liking this. I just don't like how, like, look at how small this is compared to the box. Like, at least be a little bigger, you know? That's all I'm saying. I'm thinking it's gonna be a bigger size, and no, that's messed up. That's just messed up. It's like a big illusion, messing with me. Not nice. Okay, so next in the bag is this right here. Lock Color Unicorn Glow Long Wear Primer. It says after moisturizing, smooth a dime size amount of primer on your skin, then apply your foundation and makeup as usual. It says that your makeup will stay put and your skin healthy when you use this illuminating primer made with jojoba oil, shea butter, and chamomile. Oh, these good ingredients, I'm loving. Okay, I thought it would be clear, but it is not. I just love me some products that make my face look so illuminating. This moisturizer already gave me a glow, but then when I put the primer, it just added on to it. So that's good. Off camera, I'm gonna apply some concealer and my bronzer, and I'll be right back. Next in the bag is this right here. This is the Ofra. Oh, Ofra. Okay, Ofra Cosmetics Ofra times Madison Sweet Stuff Blush. This collab between Ofra and beauty lifestyle vlogger Madison Miller gives us a highly pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and beyond. This dusty pink nude blush can be worn dry or wet to intensify it and as a shadow. Okay, so I'm gonna use this as a blush. I think this is gorgeous. This is an A+. I'm loving it. No questions asked. I'm happy. And on top of that, it's from Ofra. I love Ofra Cosmetics. All right, last in the bag is this. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. This is from Colored Rain Cosmetics Eyeshadow in Glamour. This is a velvet, smooth, and vegan. Yes. Shadow is ultra blendable, richly pigmented, and long wearing, so your eye look will stay strong for happy hours to after hours. I like that. It says the foil finish pearly hue looks so good on literally all skin tones. Just dab this shadow onto the center of your lids for a pop of shimmer, or blend all over for the lids for a full metallic eye look. Ooh, sparkly. I'm gonna dab my finger in it. And then just go all over and blend it out. Hello, and I am back. Okay, so I finished everything. My overall thoughts on September's Ipsy bag. The bag, of course, is freaking awesome. I'm loving it. It's just so me. I like each item, but the ones that I love, these two. The Color Rain eyeshadow is just gorgeous, and then the blush is amazing too. But they're all so good. So it's like it's a win-win because I like every single item in here. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and you give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, comment below, because that does help me. You know, when you watch, when you comment, when you subscribe, it does help me with my channel, and I highly appreciate it. If you do receive Ipsy, please let me know down below which items you received, which ones you like, which ones you didn't. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye. But do your thing, Naruto. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay. Woo! Go Naruto with the 9-tailed fox. I'm gonna take a little drink. I don't know what. You know, these 2 minutes, I could have been watching Naruto. Oh no, no.